Hi friends, welcome to Dreams Wonder Kids. Today we are going to do something magical. We are going to trace and color beautiful shapes. But first, let's make our magic marker. This is our big bag outline marker. It's perfect for tricky lines. Tap tap. And look at our happy coloring markers. We have red, blue, orange, yellow, green, and pink. Wow! Are you ready to make some magic? Let's trace. First step, let's connect the dots. Go up, curve around and slide all the way down to the bottom. Now let's do the other side. Up, curve around and slide down to meet at the point. Can you guess what shape this is? It's heart! I love it! Now let's color it with our bright red marker. Color, 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 red like a sweet, juicy strawberry, beautiful red heart. Next sheet, this one has strike lines. Let's trace across the top. Let's trace strike down the side, go across the bottom, and strike back up to the top. What shape is this, friends? It's a rectangle. Super job. Let's color it with our cool blue marker. Color it blue. Blue like the big, beautiful sky. Zoom. Look at our blue rectangle. Look over here. This shape looks like a little house. Let's count the sides as we trace. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides. It's a pentagon. Incredible. Let's give it some happy orange color. Orange. Orange like a sweet, yummy mandarin orange. High five for the pentagon. Moving the bottom row. Let's go down, up, down, and all the way around. Twinkle, twinkle. It's a beautiful star, just like you. You are a star. Let's make it shine with our bright yellow marker. Color, color, yellow, like the warm, happy sun, wow! It shines so bright. What is this long, smooth shape? No sharp corner shape? Round and round we go, stretching it out. It's an oval. It looks like a magic dinosaur egg. Let's color it with our lovely green marker. Green, green, green. Green like the soft grass in the park. Perfect oval. Last one, friends. Let's trace a big happy curve. All the way around, keep going and close it up. It's a circle, around like a bounce ball. Let's color it with our pretty pink marker. Color it pink, pink like a beautiful flower. Yeah, look at our pink circle. We did look at our magical shape. If you love drawing and coloring with me, please click the big red button and subscribe to Dreams Wonder Kid for more fun magical video. See you next time, bye bye!